Hello everyone and welcome to the Linux command line tutorial series. This is tutorial number 5. In this video, we will learn how to use cat on Linux terminal. Cat means concatenate and print files. We can use cat command to display content of a file. We can use it to combine files and display their content. And it can also be used to create a new file. So I have my terminal opened up and currently I'm inside Linux commands directory, which is on my desktop, and this is content of my file. Oh, my bad, here ls, and you can see index.html here and index.html here. So let's get started. Basic cat command will do this and you can type in stuff and it will just echo it out. That's all it does for now. So in order to get out of this, you will press Ctrl D, which will exit. So we can use the same functionality, but now we'll try to create a new file and save whatever we type in. So we will do cat and this angle bracket and we will say Greek god.txt. And let's start with Zeus space, and there's a reason for having this space because I want to show you more functionality. Athena, let's do Nike, and the last one we can do Poseidon, and let's exit the file. Same thing, Control D. This will save and also create the file. You can see it's here, and increase the size and it's here. So let's see content of index.html, and you can see all the stuff inside here. So as I said, we can use cat command to display content of the file. Let me clear this out, and we can do cat and just type in name of the file, which is index.html, and we can see content of the file, which is similar to this. Next thing, what we can do is we can combine two files and display their content. So cat index.html, and let's do Greek god.html, and we can see all the things here. Now let's go ahead and learn about some flags which can be useful. First one is to display line numbers. So let's do cat -n and let's say Greek god, and we can see line numbers with everything. It shows line numbers for line breaks as well. So what if we don't want line number for line breaks? There's a flag for that as well, which is cat -p, and you will do the same thing, Greek god.txt. Now you can see line numbers just for the contents, and it ignores the line breaks. And there is a command to remove this unnecessary line breaks and just have one line break, and you can achieve that by doing cat -s, which is squeeze, and do Greek god.txt, and you can see this. There's one more command which shows dollar at the end of the line. Let's say there's a big line, like if you are programming or something, and it's a big line, and it will wrap, like it will text wrap on the terminal. But if you wish to find out end of the line, you can use this, which is -e and Greek god, and you can see dollar at end of like each line break. So let's go ahead and combine what we learned. Let's display content of both the files. You know what, let's use a couple of flags. So we will display line numbers for everything. We will also display, and we will squeeze the file, and that's enough. We can do Greek god, and let's combine two files and everything in one go. So we get the line numbers, and you can see that the file Greek god is squeezed from this to just one line break. So that's how you use cat command. As always, if you wish to learn more, what you can do is man cat, and you will get this whole thing. and go ahead and read it out, try it out. So once again, if you have any questions or comments or complaints, post them in the comment section below. If you like my video, hit like. So until next time.